Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
To unlock a Tesla Model 3 using only the key card, walk to the driver's side and hold the card flat against the left rear B-pillar reader. Keep the card in contact for 1 to 2 seconds, contact or within 0. 5 inches will register, but a firm touch is most reliable. You will hear a horn chirp, see mirrors unfold, and watch the lights flash to confirm success. If the card does not respond, reposition the card and try again. Then proceed to open the door and enter. After entering, place the key card flat on the center console pad behind the cup holders to register the card as the active key. Press and hold the brake pedal while the card remains on the pad. The touchscreen will indicate a valid key and allow you to shift into drive or reverse. With the card on the pad, you can operate the car normally. Removing the card after driving does not immediately stop the vehicle, but park before leaving the car without the card. Always secure the card before exiting. To lock the Model 3, exit and tap the key card on the left rear B-pillar reader once. The car will lock and flash lights. Inside the car, add or remove key cards from Controls Locks Keys, where you can register multiple cards and label each one for valet or family use. If a card fails, clean it, avoid strong magnets and physical bending, and retry tapping with steady contact for 1 to 2 seconds. Remember, the key card is passive NFC with no battery, so it does not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.